Wait, do you know your body creates a mini explosion when you sneeze? The moment dust or germs enter your nose, your brain sends an instant warning signal. Your chest muscles tighten, your lungs fill with air, and pressure starts building fast. In just a second, your body releases it all at once. Air shoots out of your nose at incredibly high speed, pushing out the dust, germs, and irritants. Your eyes automatically close, your throat opens, and thousands of tiny droplets burst out. All of this happens in a split second. That sneeze you just had was actually your body protecting you.